Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. On my second channel MHM Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.